Whether you're a developer building data pipelines or an analyst collecting leads, Minexa.ai turns websites into structured datasets in just a few minutes, perfect for scraping comprehensive industry classification data. Navigate to the companieshouse.gov.uk page you want to scrape. No setup or configuration is needed to get started. Open the Minexa.ai Chrome extension to get started. It handles the complexity so you can focus on the page. Click the violet button saying, "Yes, I'm on the right page," so Minexa.ai can analyze the page layout and detect the industry classification list. Full page coverage is confirmed. Minexa.ai detected the navigation pattern and will follow it on every single run. Pick list mode or detail page mode, depending on whether you want simple or deeper per row extraction. Most pages only need you to click Continue. Switch to advanced mode if the site changes based on your actions on it. Click Create Scraper if the highlighted section looks right. Minexa.ai picks the most stable way to consistently read this page each time. Every field is detected and structured automatically. Text, links, and nested data are ready to select, including SIC codes and industry descriptions. Click API Request to get Python code you can use directly in automated workflows or scheduled jobs to scrape this data regularly. One more step. Click Complete Configuration to finish setting up your scraper and validate your settings. All pages are now part of this scraper. Nothing gets cut off after the first page of results, as Minexa.ai detected the next page automatically. Your scraper is ready to run. Optionally pick a schedule, so Minexa.ai reruns it automatically and keeps your data fresh. Click Run, and Minexa.ai applies deterministic extraction rules. Running again on unchanged pages produces identical, reproducible outputs. This entire dataset was produced by a scraper saved to your account. You can run it again anytime via the extension or API without retraining. It extracts 6 codes, industry titles, and descriptions accurately. Click Export to download your dataset. Every value is extracted from the exact right spot, ensuring no errors or hallucinations. Get your first production dataset in minutes and reuse the same scraper for all future runs without retraining anything.